The court is not unanimous in its decision. I will read out the majority judgment by myself, with which my brother my brother Matebula concurs, and then I will read the minority judgment of my brother Mshlambi. The majority judgment reads as follows. 1. The application is enrolled as one of urgency in terms of Rule 612 of the Uniform Rules of Court, and the rules relating to service and other forms of process are abridged accordingly. 2. It is declared that the following ANC biennial and branch general meetings conducted during the months of August, September, October and or November 2017 in the Free State Province were irregular, unlawful, unconstitutional and or in breach of the ANC Constitution. 2.1 Regent Tabu Mafutsinyana, wards 2 to 9, 11 to 13, 14, 16, 19, 22 and 23. 2.2 Regent Luwelachpuchwa, wards 3, 7, 8, 17, 25 and 36. 2.3 Region Mangahung, wards 5, 8, 11 and 45. 2.4 Region Garib, wards 1 and 5. 3. It is declared that the decisions, resolutions and outcomes of the aforesaid meetings are null and void. 4. In holding that the aforesaid meetings were irregular, unlawful, unconstitutional and or in breach of the ANC Constitution, the Provincial Conference of the ANC Free State, scheduled for 1 to 3 December 2017, will be a nullity and is not to be held until the aforesaid meetings have been held in a lawful manner and in accordance with the Constitution of the ANC. 5. Each party is to pay its own costs.
I concur.
The minority judgment of my brother Mshlambi reads as follows. 1. The application is enrolled as one of urgency in terms of Rule 612 of the Uniform Rules of Court, and the rules relating to service and other forms of process are abridged accordingly. 2. It is declared that the following ANC biennial and branch general meetings conducted during the months of August, September, October and or November 2017 in the Free State Province were irregular, unlawful, unconstitutional and or in breach of the ANC Constitution. 2.1 Region Tabu Mafutsinyana, wards 2 to 9, 11 to 13, 14, 16, 19, 22 and 23. 2.2 Region Luwelachpuchwa, wards 3, 7, 8, 17, 25 and 36. 2.3 Region Mangahung, wards 5, 8, 11 and 45. 2.4 Region Garib, wards 1 and 5. 3. It is declared that the decisions, resolutions and outcomes of the aforesaid meetings are null and void. 4. Each party is to pay its own costs. Copies of the said orders should be available at the General Office within approximately 15 minutes' time. Thank you. The court adjourns.
All rise.
All right, so it seems here that the judge has ruled that the decisions of the meetings held were null and void and parties must pay for their own costs. Now, Free State supporters of Cyril Ramaphosa to become ANC president had claimed that they had been excluded from those meetings. So it seems that those the results of those meetings are declared null and void, and that the Provincial Elective Conference should not go ahead. So that's some of the ruling that's come through from the High Court in Bloemfontein. We'll get more on some of the legal jargon and just unpacking that ruling coming up. But first, at the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria,